Hi there. For our referring dentists, there's a number of promises that we have to them. The first and probably the most important promise is that we promise not to steal your patients from you. Any patient who's referred to us, at no point in the future will we accept them as a patient, whether they're with you or not in the future. We will return the patient to you to have any restorative work to be carried out that you feel comfortable enough to do. We never criticise any of the dentistry that they have, and never make any comments about any treatment that they've had previously from yourself or otherwise. We promise to contact patients as soon as possible. We have a dedicated team who manage our implant patients and any referrals that we do receive, and they contact that person within the hour by telephone, text or email. We always treat the patients very well, and our team are very much customer service focused, so that everybody has a nice experience in the practice. And the girls are well trained not to say the wrong thing to them, to contradict anything that another dentist has told them, and have them asking questions of you and anything that you've done before. We make it easy for you to refer both online and offline, via email, via the website, via phone, via letter, whatever you find is most convenient for yourself. And also, when we refer the patient back to you, especially with our implant cases, we promise that you'll have very little to do. Your lab sheet will be written out for you. Really all that you're having to do is take an impression of your patient prior to fitting any restoration that you're looking to provide. As I said, we have a dedicated team who you form a working relationship with, who keep on top of everything for you, make sure that patients are never unaware of what their next stage is and who it is that they're seeing, and it keeps yourself and your patients all very organised and everybody up to speed with what's going on. We do appreciate referrals from other practices, and we do send personal thank yous, and any of our practices that do refer will know that already. We're always on hand to answer any questions, whether it be clinical, which will be directed straight to myself and I will get back to you at the earliest opportunity, or if it's something clerical, then our dedicated team again will carry all that out for you. We will arrange a patient's finance for them. Upon immediate payment of the finance to us, normally through Medenta, that payment will then be passed on to you immediately. So often you're paid for treatment that you haven't carried out yet, very much up front, quite commonly 3 months before the implants are integrated. So you're well paid in advance of carrying out any treatment, and you do not need to worry about the financial side of it.